So working with JavaScript, React, or any other languages, we many times face this error. Uncaught type error cannot read properties of undefined. So I will guide you how to resolve this error. So let's get into code. Let's assume this is the user data coming from API, or it could be your constant state or constant variable also. So in this user data, we have three fields: name, age, and job. And inside job, we have role. So here we are using that user's data and we are mapping that using map method, and we are consoling here user role. So let's go into the output of this. So for first user object, it's consoling as software engineer. For second, it is consoling as senior software engineer, which is correct. So for first two objects, it's consoling correctly. But for third one, when it try to console third object, this map function do not find user with role key, and we are trying to console user.job.role. So at this point in this 29 number line, we are getting this error, which is uncaught cannot read properties of undefined. So like now we know why we are getting this error. Now, how can we solve this? So there is one simple solution to this error, which is we need to check whether if this user object have a key with name role, then only it should console. Else, it should ignore that. So we can handle it using latest JavaScript optional parameter, so which is question mark. So once you add question mark here, and if you refresh the page, boom, error is resolved. So this way you can handle this error just using optional operator in the JavaScript. So if this video helped you to resolve your error, please subscribe my channel so next time you will find my solution at first time. Thank you so much for watching this video.